Over 30 million people have a Medicare Advantage plan, a private Medicare Advantage plan. Maybe you have one, maybe your parents have one. If you end up going into a skilled nursing facility, which I'll call a nursing home, but sometimes people call it different things. So I'm not talking about assisted living. I'm talking about a skilled nursing facility, a nursing home. If you go into a nursing home, the first thing they do is they sit you down with the staff and they look at your insurance and they try to move you off your Medicare Advantage plan. Nursing homes do not like Medicare Advantage plans. And they may say that they dislike it because Medicare Advantage doesn't pay for therapy. That is not true. Medicare Advantage has to follow the same rules the government set out for traditional Medicare. They have to follow the same rules. But the rule for therapy, and there's different types of therapy, but we'll just say for therapy is that Medicare will pay a certain amount of time for therapy as long as you continue to improve. So if you had a stroke and you are nonverbal, you can't walk, and they're doing therapy and you're starting to regain control of your arm and you're starting to be able to talk, therapy can continue. But if you have a stroke and they're doing therapy and nothing happens, they're showing no improvement, there's no therapeutic value to continuing to give you therapy if it's not doing anything. So Medicare Advantage is managed care. They are going to follow the Medicare rule that says no more therapy because you are not improving. Original Medicare, nobody's watching it. It's not managed. So yeah, that's what the rule says, but if nobody's watching, the nursing homes can get away with giving you therapy. It's a big profit center for nursing homes. And it was very interesting when I was trying to put these pieces together in my mind. I finally had an insurance agent that used to be a director of nursing homes. And I asked her, I said, why do they hate Medicare Advantage? She goes, oh, because Medicare Advantage costs them money. And the answer to all your questions is always money, right? So they do not like Medicare Advantage because they can make more money if they put you back on original Medicare and a drug plan. Now, one thing that they would like to do is get everybody in that nursing home on the same drug plan because it's easier for them to get drugs and dispense drugs if they're all from the same drug plan. So that's legitimate. There's nothing nefarious going on there. But when they say, we hate Medicare Advantage, oh, you'd be better off on original Medicare and a private Part D plan. Now you're on original Medicare A and B, and you don't know because your mom just fell. You're nervous. You're trusting these people that seem to have authority and expertise. And they're saying your mom would be better off on original Medicare A and B only in a private drug plan. If your mom is on A and B only, there is no maximum she could have to pay in a year. No maximum. Unlimited. Medicare Advantage, any plan. And Medicare Advantage plans do vary dramatically. There's almost 4,000 different Medicare Advantage plans in the country. And so they all vary, but they all share the same thing. They have a limit, a maximum amount you would pay in a year, a floor. That protects you or your parents from having a bill that's $50,000 or $100,000 or more out of pocket. That can happen if you only have original Medicare A and B. So no, I'm not fear-mongering. Google it. What is the maximum you can pay out of pocket if you only have original Medicare? And Google, your friend, will back me up and say there is no maximum. That's why I think it's very dangerous when the nursing home tries to do what's best for the nursing home and not what's best for you or your parents. If you learned something today, please give me a follow, hit the subscribe button, tune in every week, and learn more to get you ready for retirement. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.